Okay, so hey everyone, this is Rohit Kumar, and today in this video we are going to design this simple model. We are going to practice and learn how to make this kind of model. This is really very simple model, and I have created it with just to give you a demonstration that how can you make this kind of model. This is called two-phased mechanical part. Actually, everything that you design in SolidWorks is a mechanical part or a engineering part, mechanical engineering part, because SolidWorks is mostly used for mechanical engineering. So for this one I also had made a blueprints. Let me show you. Here's the blueprint that I have made. This is the blueprint. This is the top view, this view, there is a side view, front and back. Okay, so we will start with making this plane, this part, this middle part, and then after this first we will make this one, and then after this we will make this one. So let's see how we are going to do that. So for making this we have to close this one. Now open a new one, go to part, make this one okay. Now here we have to select uh, a dimensional unit in which we are going to create this model. Okay, so go to mmgs. Now here you have to select a plane. Front plane is more suitable, so simply go and select front plane. Now you have to select center rectangle. In rectangle option there are 5 options, so you have to select center rectangle. Okay, different options have different use, but we are going to use this one. So now yeah, come here. So what is the thickness of this one? So this is 20 mm. And what is the height? The height of this part is around 100 mm. Actually not 100 mm, let me check this one. uh Come here. Yeah, this is, come here, let's do some calculation. So here is 20, it's 20 and it's 30. 20. So this one will also be 20 because the thickness of this one from here to here is 25 because it's 25, and this one is equal because this part is mirrored. So this one is 20, this one is 20. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40, plus 30 is equal to 70. So from this to this will be 20, here you see, and this overall answer will be 70. If you're not sure, then come here. Here is a arc, this one, the radius of this arc, this is a half circle, semicircle, so the radius is given as 35, so the level of 35 is also 75. So thickness is 20 mm and the height is 70 mm. So come here, go to smart dimension, mmgs is already selected, make this one 20 and make this one 70. Okay, simply make this one. Okay, now go to feature, go to extrude boss base. Now we need to extrude this one in both direction equally because we need to mirror this part, not we going to make one everything manually. We will use mirror entities option. So we need to mirror extrude this one, and how much we need to extrude? We need to extrude this one around 70, 100. We need to extrude this one around 100, and the gap is 60. Okay, so first let's extrude this one around 100 on both sides. So simply from blind go to mid plane, make this one 100 and make this one okay. Now here you see, now here you see it get extruded. Now come here on this face, take this one, come here with the help of this blue line, make a circle. Come here, now you see, sorry, the blue line is not coming. Okay, let's do it again. Select this plane, make a sketch. Again, we select a center line, take a line like this and make this one like this. Now go to circle and make a circle. Now this time let me see. It's showing? No, it's not showing. So it's not showing. If it's not showing, then it's fine. Let's make this one 70. This one will also be 70. Okay. Now we need to specify the gap from the origin point to the main origin point to the origin point of this circle. So how much? This one is 80. Okay. So this 80 and this one is 20. And the origin pointer is exactly in the middle of it, so it will be automatically 70. You can also take it as 80. Let me show you how. So cut, delete this one, delete this one, go to smart dimension, select the center point, select this line and make this one 80. So now if we will take 80, let me measure this one. This one is already 70. See, now what we need to do? Make another center line. Okay, just leave the center line. No need to make a center line. Again, come here. We need to make a profile like this, and after this, we will mirror this thing in this direction, in this side. Okay, so how? First, select this one, convert this one as entities. Go to line, construction line. Come here like this. Go down and just connect it to here, this point. Now here you see this one is done. Now go to smart dimension. We need to specify the dimension of this one. So how much? This one is 35. Okay, and the gap is the depth is 7 mm. Okay, so it will automatically become 25. So let me do this thing again. It's 35 and 7. Okay, so this one will be 35, 35, and this one will be 7, 7. Now come here, make this one straight, make this one okay. Now let's make a relation. Select this line, press that key on your keypad and select the circle and make this one relation tangent. Now here you see this tangent is done. Let me check the dimension of this one. It's 25. See, 25. Okay, so it's 25. So now we need to mirror this thing in this direction. Okay, so go to mirror entities in the sketch option. Select this, select like this. So this will get selected automatically. Go to mirror about. In my previous videos, I also already had told you that how you have to use the mirror entities. Now you see it get mirrored. Now we need to trim some additional parts. So simply trim this thing. Trim this one also. Go to feature, go to extruded boss base. Now here you see. Now from here, make this one blind. Change the direction and how much we need to extrude. Come here. Yeah, we are making this part. So we need to extrude this one around 20 mm. Right? So the thickness of this part is 20 mm. So come here and give dimension 20 and make this one okay. Now go to this, come to this face, make this one sketch. Again, we need to make a circle. Find the origin point of this circle. Make a circle like this. Make one more circle like this. Now let's specify the dimension of this one, the outer circle. So the diameter of the outer circle is 45 and the diameter of the internal circle is 20. Here you see. With the help of this arrow, 45 and 20. So simply make this one 45 and make this one 20. Okay, go to feature, go to extruded bosses. Now we need to extrude this one in this direction. And how much we need to extrude? Come here. Yeah, here is the dimension given. We need to extrude this one around 5 mm. Right? 5 mm. We need to extrude this one around 5 mm. Here you see. We are making this part. So come here. Give dimension 5. Simply make this one 5 and make this one okay. Now here you see. Again come here and make a circle because we need to make a hole. Come here, go to feature, this time select extruded cut. When you select extruded cut, then you have to select through all because you have to make a complete hole and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now we need to mirror this thing over here. So how? In feature section, here is an option called here is an option called mirror. So go to mirror. You have to select a plane through which you are going to mirror. So front plane is exactly in the middle of it. You always have to select something which lies in the middle of it. Now in the feature entity feature section, you have to select this one and select this thing. Now it get selected. Here you see this yellow part and make this one okay. Now here you see it get mirrored. The hole is not get mirrored, so let's make the hole manually. It's not a big thing. Let's make the hole manually and make this one. Now here you see. Now we need to make a part on this side. We need to make a part on this side. So come here, We need to make the drawing of this one. So how? Actually, this is a simple one. Come here. This is the time to design this thing, but this part is on the upper side of this model, right? So we need to make this one on the upper side of this model. So come to the upper part and make this one a sketch. Now here you see. Again, come here. Go to center line. Make center line like this. This one is also called as construction line, which is generally used for making construction. Now here, come here. Make two circles. Okay. Go to smart dimension. Not like that. Let me check how the dimension is given. It's 75 from this line to the center point of the circle. It's 75. Okay. Select the center point and select this line and make this one 75. 75. Make this one okay. Now we need to specify the diameter of the circle, both the circle. So simply come here. Let's specify the diameter of the outer circle. So the diameter of the here you see radius is 17.5. So what will be the double of 17.5? Let me calculate. 17.5 plus 17.5 is equal to 35. It's 35. You can also do that 17.5 plus 17.5 and simply make this one okay. Now here you see is 35. You can also make the calculation there. Now we need to specify the diameter of the internal circle. So the diameter of the internal circle is 25. This one is the symbol for diameter. Okay, so it's 25. So come to the SolidWorks, make this 25 and this one is okay. Now what we need to do? Select this part, convert this as entity, select this line from this point, from the corner point, make a line like this and simply make the relation tangent. I already had told you how you have to make the tangent. Just click the line, press it on your keypad and select the other part, especially circle. Now here you see it get tangent. Now go to mirror entities, select this line, go to mirror about. In mirror about section, you have to select the middle line or construction line. Make this one okay. Now let's trim the excess material. Now here you see. Trim this one and trim this one also. Now here you see. Go to feature section, go to extruded boss base, and we need to extrude this one in downward direction, but it's through all. So simply make this one blind because here we are going to give some dimension. So this part. So how much we need to extrude this one? We will extrude this one around 20 mm, right? So make this one 20 and make this one okay. Now come here, select this face, make a circle. Again, find the center point, make a circle like this, connect the corner of the circle to the corner of this one, this arc. Again, make one more circle with the diameter of the internal circle. Okay, let me check everything is according to the plan or not. It's 25.9, so let's make this one simply 25. Now here you see it's get 25. Go to feature section, go to extruded boss base. Now we need to extrude this one. And how much we need to extrude? We need to extrude this one around 5 mm. Why 5 mm? Because let me show you. This one is 20 and this one is given 25. So 20 minus 25 is equal to 5. So we need to extrude this one around 5 mm. So come here and make this one 5. Now here you see. Now we need to mirror this thing over here also. So how? In feature section there is also an option called mirror entities. Now this time you need to find plane like we did here. Okay. So the top plane lies exactly in the middle of it. Go to features, select this one and this one. Now here you see extruded boss base and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now this is our final product that we have made. Now let's give some color. You can also give material, but let's give it a color. Let me do it again. Something wrong. Simply make this one okay. Go to metal. Actually this one is not happening. Select this one. Also select this one. Select select this one and select internal portion and also give the material like this. You can give material any kind of material of your own desire. Everything's fine. So here we learn how to make this kind of simple model with the help of mirror entities. So this video is only to show you that how you can use mirror entities option to copy drawings and profiles or the pre-designed part on another side with the help of midplane or with the help of a construction line. So I hope that you like this video. So please go and subscribe channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.